What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Mavis.
Mavis, I met you and you said you're walking on top of the
The
earth.
earth. Yes, I'm walking on top of the earth.
So when people meet you, you just say,
How are you? I say I'm good because I'm walking on top of the earth.
that is your thing.
Yes.
Where did you get it from? Your grandparents? Who made her? I'm fascinated by that phrase.
My daughter and my children.
They said that to you?
Yes. I said, yes. When we call to them, I say, how are you? They say, Mommy, I'm good. I'm walking on top of the earth.
And you pick it up.
I'm going to die with it.
Wow. Tell the people abroad why they should come back to Jamaica, buy land, and why shouldn't they be afraid of Jamaica?
I'll tell you something. We're all sinner. And if you hear, I'm going to ask you a question. If you hear that where you're from, America, England?
Manchester originally.
No, where you live? You know,
New York.
Where you live in New York,
Brooklyn.
and you say you hear people causing you. I said, Mavis, don't go Brooklyn. It's so wicked. It's so bad over there. And when you reach there, a different story. You have to go and see for yourself.
Yes. So this is California.
Not in USA.
In Jamaica.
In Jamaica.
I didn't know there was a place called California.
But you're standing in California right now.
And how many years you live here?
From me born.
And you love it?
Of course I love it. That's my country.
This is California.
Yes.
Mavis.
Yes.
And you have your jackass card.
Yes.
Jackass card.
Our donkey car.
Donkey card. I'm walking on top of Mavis.
Yes, sir.
I'm going past you again in the future.
Yes.
But I love it.
Yes, I love you, Tom. The Lord be with you.
Bless
and
you.
Never leave him. Always hold tight on Christ. He's
Yes,
a rock.
I will.
Everything to
Bless
us.
you.
Yes.
All right. Walking on top of the earth.
Yes, sir. You're walking on it right now.
That's Mavis. This is California, people. And I'm going to give my number to Anthony. 1 second. It's a place called California. And you can see, this is California. And this is a new place for me to discover. Beautiful home here. Nice sunshine. We just met Anthony. And the people are peaceful. This is in Manchester, Mandeville. Okay? So guys, you might want to come home. Don't be afraid and just take your time. And in most cases, you know, when people want to build a house and have anxiety to rush and get it done. And as I advise you, the first thing you build is a big room. And that room is going to be your bathroom. Build your bathroom first and take it off with a big square. And put a twin bed on the floor and sleep on it. And then you build another room. Nobody will ever rob you. Because every 2 weeks, when I can't come, I watch the people that work. I'm sleeping in your big bedroom. A man built this house supposedly, 30-something home. It's a land, I think I already filmed that. Land for sale here. You want to look into that. Right? And him say him sleeping on 30-something room and him sleeping on one every day. Jamaicans are fascinated about these big homes because we never really had homes before. But the challenge is, if it gets hot, at least you build them. And I'm not into big homes because I like to live in the world. I don't like to live into boxes. I like to live outside. I'm an outside person. I have one daughter, and I don't want any other children. Good. So this is everybody work hard, and you could do whatever you want. You know. But This is California. I'm going up down to Fairfield Mountain. I had a really good morning. I interviewed a gentleman that we're going to try to see if we can support, get his medication. I help those, or I try to link those on a random basis. If I'm walking, I'm meet someone, I'm hear them story, I publish that story. But if people call me and tell me we need to go somewhere, no, I don't do that. Everything I do is of the spirit. If my feel and my vibe tell me, Randy, go interview them on there, I go. I don't run up and down and, you know, I just, my spirit and God move me. So that's what I love. This is the good life, that we could do good. And I could link you with people that you could do good. And you could be fulfilled within yourself. So Manchester is my home. And going to St. Mary, different places. How many miles from Fairfield Mountain to California? About 2-3 miles, right?
Can't about that.
So I walk 3 miles this morning. Respect me, say. Later.
I've got family.
I'm staying at her house.
Okay, because me uncle died.
Okay.
After they pass the church, you should reach out to uncle right.
Are your uncle, are your family? So the whole of our family.
Thank you.
Whole of our family. Our family. That's why I love Jamaica. Because the whole of our family. You know, a lot of people want to go with me on this journey. And I want to tell you guys this. I eat sardine on this journey. I eat bread. I drink water. I sometimes sleep on the floor. Because I love the people and I just love be among the people, and this is my mission in life. How you doing? My name is Randy.
I'm Kim.
Nice to meet you. Kim, but Kim is afraid. The daughter walks through the shop. So, they drop off the kids, that's cool. So, this is my mission, you know, and the mission is to just, many people after seeing the film that I do, them say, yeah man, I'll come back to Jamaica. Big up Jonathan, do good for the community. Big up Maya, big up King Baba, running in Manchester. I check the people and make sure they're alright. Big up all my supporters. Angela from UK support. You know. Try through the land. Take care of the people then. See how people know me already. We're good, man. I go walk. Where you down here, sir? Where I come from? Over Sailor? I do my morning walk. Respect my life. I blaze the bike. I get the helmet for you now. I don't see you get hurt. Later. You know, if I come with a bag of money, you just have to show people love, and everybody you see just say hello. And tell them, I mean, come on, Jamaicans. Come out on the house and walk around. You don't have to tell people your business. Yes, sir. You'll hear, you know, you hear so much thing about Jamaica. It is one of the most friendliest places on earth. Hey, Cole. Well, go on, look at Cal. What you say? Well, go on. Eh? You better watch yourself, you know. A Jamaica Good Life is upon, you know. Watch yourself. Hey, if you don't watch yourself, you know, you must be careful and watch yourself. Eat your grass and drink your water and take care of yourself. You hear me say? Later. You have to talk to the cow every time. You know, I think I did about 4 miles today. I'ma feel good, my body, I feel good. Getting exercise. Today was a beautiful day. We don't go up at the house yet. I'll go there one day. We don't know what I'm gonna do today. I talk to the youth them and see how them feel. But today was a great day in Fairfield Mountain, California. Just so, if you guys have your camera one day and go to Jamaica in your neighborhood, I can't be everywhere. Just walk around and film the people them and then put them on Google Photos. Look at this nice house, I like that. Hey, if you work hard and you want to build a thing, build a thing. Nobody knows say you can't have a big house. I'm not against big house. That's how your thing, deal with it. See how look a bird there. I think I put cherry. You know, cherry. See them there? You know, mama, look at them concrete right there. Them call them pichery. You know, remember I used to grow up and people don't stop no more and look on birds, you know. See them there? If people see me out filming on them, I say, it's weird, that guy's filming birds. But they carry them dangerous, and I'm like, for face to carry them. Come in. Whew. The road can get dangerous, even for bikers. I wouldn't bike in Jamaica because the road's small and the drivers them kind of crazy. See a house there? Nice little house with a mango tree. No mortgage. See a tank there? Life is slowed down. Plant your flowers. Yes, happiness reigns. Blessings to my 7 days Adventist Christian them. Blessings to my regular Christian them. But remember this, all my Christians. Even though you think you know everything you think you know, you must be also humbled. There's more to know, okay? Now Kyle lives up here. Kyle lives up here. And we have to take care of Kyle also. This house up there we're going to tour. So we're in Fairfield Mountain now. I brought you a peaceful place for you to rest. You thank me. You keep supporting the movement as me travel upon this path and free you of your fears and show you things you never know so you can rest your weary bones and you can come back home. It is because of this program that has freed so many. This program has freed so many of you because you yourself was afraid. And this is what you're running from. Run no more. You have to come back home. Good morning, sir. How you doing? I'm Randy Pottinger from Jamaica Good Life. It's a program on YouTube.
Okay.
Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
And we film people to talk to them about how is Jamaica good to you.